maybe ujola le yena ujola lo wena at the same time and things like that. Okay, exactly. Relax. So is that the reason? Is it because she's not sleeping with you? That's the reason why I'm cheating.
What's it do, guys? This is me, Usimi, from Dan Dadity's YouTube channel. So on behalf of Usi4, I'm gonna announce the winner for the 20 gig of the data, which was gotten by Jacob. And I hope you received your data, Jacob. I hope you've been enjoying the data since we gave it to you by Wednesday. Please don't forget, guys, subscribe to our channel and comment #Uyajola99. Maybe the prize can be yours next. You never know.
I want you to take food out of my mouth while I watch you eat it, but I still don't know why I love you so much. You curse my name, despise, tell you clean, give it a full fame, but I still don't know why I love you so much. The heartbroken songs. I'm talking about the people who are being hurt out there and they need people to comfort them. People like me. You see, cheating has never been good. Cheating will never be good. And if you think cheating is good, change your mindset, Karai. You're not thinking well. You're not thinking well, Papa. And before I forget, don't forget to subscribe. It's your boy C4. Across the competition, 20 gig Papa. Any network, MTN, Vodacom, Telcom, name them all. All you have to do is #Uyajola99 and comment. Papa, whatever. You got your hottest researcher, C4 Manigini. This guy better the adventure. Adventure, you never know. Before I go anywhere, I'll go check out my sister because her story it will throw because hey, what's my king? Let me just go there. I explain the story side or why I'm because you know when people cheat, I don't like that. If you cheat, just know I will always be on your back like a spy in your side. Before I waste of any cantankerous and intertwined time, you know what? This relationship thing can be macro and humongous sometimes. And when it gets to be minute, is when the relationship is no longer like that. You no longer feel the person that you were feeling the same way you are feeling them, but you are feeling other people because you have feelings that are not confused and so on and so on. If you feel like someone is teaching on you, just tell me, Papa. I will be there and I will always be on their back like a spy. Before I waste any time, but please subscribe and please comment, guys. Like those adverts, guys. Like don't skip them. Like this is serious, guys. It's not a joke. Like look at me right now. I'm for real and I'm serious. Right now, I'm going to do my investigation. Because that's what to Hayabo, watch that camera. Wow, kasi chabele, whatever, when I'm Musware when I'm wafasa ke hotel. Bona se ke fitlile on my sister. Ere go mutisa rolla ka whatever rena ha ke rate o tsenya nako ngwana magolo because when people are hurt I'm getting hurt too. So let me just go there and then ke go rolla ka ngwana magolo. My apologies for not message to my heart. Okay.
You think it okay?
Ishab, can we like move a bit? Okay, so let's start with your name. What's your name?
Oh, Nakina Salamina.
Salamina. Yeah. So Salamina, mpotsor why umbidite?
Okay. The reason why umbidite.
Okay.
Kinahana okay. Boyfriend and cheating.
Unana so how long have you been dating you and that guy?
2 years now.
2 years?
2 years, yeah, 2 years.
Okay, so what do you think it might be the problem or Unano cheat? Unano getting into it wrong?
I could say women, okay, like you like it, che, you like it, na kwaka.
Okay, so you do give him time.
Kamu fana.
Okay.
But I get it really. I am against that thing already. Sex before marriage.
You're against it, or maybe you get the way like you set your life for no sex before marriage. Actually, also do you by any chance think that might be the reason? Do you think so?
I think so.
Okay, let's just say I go there, I do my investigation, then you find out he's not cheating. Will you apologize to him?
I will. Definitely I will.
You will.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're not like a sensum pirite, so what do you want me to do?
I want to ulo share about cheating.
Okay, just to check.
Yeah.
Then just to check, then come and confirm more. And
how far?
Mara, how's relationship yauli and Aveda? How has it been like for the last?
Yeah, halare bali the complications but sharp.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Bona sisters, now what I will do right now, I'll send my people so that they do the investigation. After doing the investigation, we'll see what we can find. If there's nothing to find, there's nothing to find. We'll come back to you. Robots or you was wrong about that and everything. And
Yes.
so now, right now, what I can do, then it will be cool with you.
Yeah,
Then get that one next time. I don't actually know what or what, Mara, I'll try my all best. And I will see you. Bona makulu. Whatever. If people cheat, I'ma be there. Right now I'm about to bounce and go hit my research. Bona makulu. If you think you'll survive when I'm coming, except me, bro. Let me tell you, me, bro. You see when you come, actually, you see when you come to me and then you tell me that somebody's cheating, I will always come and I will make sure that I grab them 9-9. My brother, if you're cheating out there, just know I'll be there for you. I'll be on your neck right there. You think cheating is good, huh? I'm looking at you right now. You thinking cheating, I'm cheating, I'm gonna get away with it. You will never get away with murder, my brother, and you will never get away with Mujola. I'll be there for you. I'll be on your back right here like a spine. You will never survive. Before I waste any time, let me go hit my investigation and see what's going on. Because if I don't do so, people will cheat now, cheat forever, and cheat every time. My brother, let me go hit my investigation. It's your boy C4. Don't have the mineral, vitamin A and B, C and D, A and C. Upunyagamo kitibagam. Upunyagamo kitibagam. Bona, pass up.
How could you say that you love me and leave me for another man? How could you claim that you got my back then the next minute and leave me fall on my back? How could you play me a fool and then expect me to continue to run with that? How could you fuck with him then call me, tell me you love me while he kissing on your neck? Fuck it. Never gonna trust a bitch ever and that is a fact. Never gonna let you fuck me up again. I swear that I need my heart back. I'd rather be a fuckboy, whatever you call it, cause Joel is whack. I'd rather get our own weed and miss me with bitches as snitches and all of that. Like a hologram. You cannot touch me, but hear my raps reminiscing about you sitting on my lap. We plan to take over the world without a map, and who is to blame for all of that? None of us wanna take the fall, so we better off each other. It's cool like that. You draw me, man, like.
Bona, we went and did our research. How chola and our arena. If your person call us to come and check for you, we will come and check for you. And when we are there, it's gonna heat up. We're gonna find you, and when we find you, it's not gonna be good. Hey.
Hello.
How are you?
Sharp.
Sharp. So tell me, since I couldn't be for check if your person is cheating. So
Yes.
we're not right now.
Hey, nantuki na hanang hore. Unali na mo adute.
Like you just have that feeling.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I have good news and bad news for you.
Okay.
Let me just start with the bad. The bad news, Corey, you're right all the time. Like these are your bad news.
Good.
Is this him?
That's him.
Are you sure?
Sure.
You sure?
Sure.
Okay, you heard, Mwana Papa. I don't like the news of the people. The news of the people love me. So, well, what do you suggest we do right now? Like the good news, Corey, we actually know where they are. So, no, are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm
But
sure.
you're not gonna fight, right? Are you sure? Okay, Panzer, lead the way there. They're just around the corner. Let's go. So where are they, my man? You say they're around the corner. Yeah, in fact, I go by the name of C for whatever, the presenter of $99. So who's this? Explain, Ampage. Explain.
Baby.
Baby? Hello, what are you talking about?
What do you mean what I'm talking about?
Dog, who's this? Who's this? Born. Dog, listen. Repeat because I'm trying to talk mostly. Kimang, girlfriend there. What? Okay. Hello, Sabra. Is it why can I deny
Cousin one year.
Okay, no, we have to talk, because right now, okay, let me explain to this who are simple and sisters. Like explain a simple in China. Like she's him and her that, as you can see. What can you explain? Wait, can you please? Like explain, Ampeti, who do you love between these two? Because no kiba mopela.
1 year girlfriend. 1 year umfela ka ngolo. 1 year, 2 years girlfriend.
So
say cheeky.
Explain. Like say for the mineral one I'm here to solve. Yeah? No, come on, bruh. Like you have to understand, Nore. The reason why your phone is because she was suspecting that you are cheating. And then Utora cousin also the way related in Paraki. Yeah? Win. No, come on. That's what he say. I said Chenagi William.
What did you eat?
No, like come on, explain at you because no. Whoa, relax. So how do you feel about this?
What here?
So Bona, no, don't fight. Osalwa. No, I see I know it's a cousin. Ken. You see? Like so, Emma, like you don't have to fight right now, okay? Because that boy, 1 year go fella, they have 2 years more relationship. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So since you know so wait of course. Like in fact, like explain. Yeah, explain. Wait
girlfriend.
No, we need to talk this out, guys. As civilized people. Relax. We don't have to fight. You don't have to fight over a guy and something like that. Echo, you're the one who's wrong right here, and you have to admit it. No, why Ricky cousin now? While you know you're lying, right? Okay, bouncer, can you? Kigam Potoran cousin now the way. Isn't that you? Isn't that you? No, Talosa Braga. Because right now you're saying she's your cousin. Are you a cousin?
I look like a cousin. You love me, bro.
So, at least the repair is in your ruchi. Nako, and then is it Nako?
I'm the fucking man.
So what's the main reason? In a relationship you had 2 years, or what happened, Dore? Like Uchomum Lasho Yekoen. Come on, explain it please. I don't understand again.
Yeah, ke a mopa. Ene ke mopa ha mnate. Batla reng?
Relax. So so is that the reason? Is it because she's not sleeping with you? That's the reason why you cheated? Is it taba ya nako fela? Are you sure it's about
jwang le sena nako? Shut up. O ke le konte jwang le sena nako? Take.
Emma, okay, right now la bona ngwana magolo. This guys, Joe, like Born. You have to stand right here, Born. Like mood, like who do you choose between them? Because right now, Joe, like you're just acting like nothing happened, and 1 year, 2 years.
So every day, una le nna. Every day, una le nna.
So like.
jwang?
No, like it's not like in Naki cannot about you. The reason why I came here is because she told me. No, come on, it's not like I get again or something like that. Come on, and we just find out he's cheating, and he's cheating on you with her, or it's either he's cheating for you with her, or maybe at the same time and things like that. Okay, exactly.
Say chicken.
Oh, okay.
Ki say chicken na.
Salosa mwana
Ki say
makolo.
chicken. Oh, ki say chicken na. Ki tell like you say chicken na.
Salosa, can you come this side?
But now head.
Come on. Like what's going on? Who I know? Come like, exactly. Okay, kuparbueng at least.
Let the one say chicken.
No, that's not what I said. I just wanna clarify things right here. Or lebe sharp because right now, bona bra. Emena tabatsa. Bona no ba chubatletse. How do you feel about that? Qu'est-ce que vous tsaka ba tshiko jwetsa ka bona mpedi. Okay, girl. Who do you blame when? Who do you blame?
Oh, yeah, see.
Exactly. Wabona, how do you feel right now? What's going on? What's no? What's that? Choose a bouncer. I'm trying to more choose it. Like
Askis, on a le pelo no rata ba pheto jwang. Ska bua masepa. O bona ke tsona ke step nna wena. Sa majola, sa ntlalo bola. Ska ntola masepa.
O lona le nna yana.
so no, like explain. Where's Alambraga? So like bona no, you got 2 chicks right here. How tsebo ro rata mang ibile le wena? O rata mang? Like right now you just told them over rata bali 2 but you wanna go with her. How do you expect her to feel? And then le ngwana ngwa, how do you expect her to feel? Dinsambraga, you see what you did right now. So sisters, are you okay? Are you okay? No, I'm just asking from the bottom of the heart. Because no, like sisters, I relationship or something like that. Listen, at least. Come on, mamele at least. No, like sisters, like just for a moment. Can you do that? No, I can't. Like no, come. I go to maybe Nagamucho pet or something like that. No, Mara, come on, sisters, you can't be like that. No, who are in, sisters? What's going on? Hello. Can you please at least to clarify your words? So like So how do you feel about this? How it's all into this song? You don't know, like
get us in, like, can you talk to him at least to clarify things? Like, if everything you want to tell him, like right now, if there's something you want to tell him.
Not one so much, okay? But all I will say is I love you. But no, no, wait, give me a minute. Okay, no, I don't. I'm done. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of someone who you don't value me, bro. I thought you said you loved me. And you will wait for me. Wait a minute. Is it that I should
Like Muchomu Pilaso, like Muchomu Pilaso. Is this how you must? Hey, boy, come on the phone. I don't want to fix a relationship.
your actions. Oh no!
Explain that because right now, Joe, we're not here to let's go. Braga. How do you feel about that? Do you think that's fair? Do you think that's fair? It's fair how? It's fair how? Explain. Time. Link. Hey, look, where I'm Maholo, Barbamkumuna, is the reason why he cheats. Marwata again, one of Maholo, not to do Lamon Cocotlong, and will make sure our cheater, Utoki Kalush, and Papa Kalush. I can tell him, Page, you can explain it. Maybe we're not doing money in Nangai Kavani. Because not suspect her was cheated, then that's what I can say. No, come on, Joe. It's not me who already decided to look at the camera. We wanted to show the world what kind of person you are. The world. Okay, who decided to cheat? And it's all because of you. But wanna know you are losing two people just because you care less. Open like him or Ratam one page. You are jealous. Open like him. So, but you don't show Ramrat either ways. Nampetu, what I can say right now, Joe, you must change your habits, Joe. Because if you don't do that, then nothing is gonna go well. Wanna know you just wasted a 2-year relationship and a 1-year relationship. Because when you know what, brother, I don't know. Hey, Panza, let's go on pitch because right now on pitch, where now you see what you do right there. So, just tell me, how do you feel after all of this? So, like from now moving on, what are you gonna do?
Just want to focus on myself.
Focus on yourself. So tell me, Joe, like that, the relationship, you were good. Before, like after this thing, I think no. How are you gonna take him?
Well, I'm going to forgive him.
Okay. Nampetu, I'm just very thankful that you were able to become the whole way. And then it really pains me too, Joe, to find out you can love someone sometimes and then at the end of the day they don't value you the way they should value you. And I can tell you're a good person, like from the way you speak and everything. But now what I can say right now is that you gotta be strong, Manchon. Because maybe you will find someone better who does values you as everyone, Manchon. And I will really like you, Joe. I will really like you to be strong. Because that's the only way you can be. If you utuile moena, it's a moena, and then focus on your life, like you said. After focusing on your life, then that's all. You'll be okay. So, I'm very grateful to see it. Very sharp.
Bona, you know what it is. What's up? Don't forget, 20 gig Porsche. Whatever, 8 August we will be mentioning the winner. Right now, I'm about to go and I'm about to roll. I'm about to show people out there, if you cheat, I will be there on your back like a spine. Let me just go and then find other people right now. Hey, shut up! Because right now I can see people are being hurt out there and people are being broken out there. But when people are being broken, it's my job to come and fix the relationship. If I don't fix it, it will destroy it. I don't like the news of the people. The news of the people love me all the time. C4 the Mineral Insta account, and don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. Right now, let me just go to my journey to find other people who are cheating. Left and right, middle and center. Dubai, Paris, Upenda, Malawi. I'ma come for you. Ukamara train, ukara basi, ukara. I will never let you go. I will always let you know. If you cheat, I will be on your back like a spine, you swine.
Vamos.